A little more, please. These Tootsies are good as gold, baby. Just like my wallet. Is my limo here yet? Limo? Ugh. Oh, she's rolling in it. And so am I. Well, kinda. Blue, so my hue. Watch out, world. Oh, poor people are everywhere.
Students, who studied and who'n't, I can tell.
An F? I can't get up. I'll lose my allowance. Pretty pants, who this? Ooh, seriously? Not cool. Whoa, that's some anger. Deep breaths. Calm down. Hex this. A little help.
What?
This grade.
An F? Rough. I got this.
Wow. Operation A in full effect. It's for you. Wanna open it?
I'm intrigued. And for reason.
Worked like a charm. Hello? A little help here? What?
So beautiful. How hard could it be? Let's see here.
This is gonna take forever. I don't have forever. Oh, wow. Don't mind if I do. Yeah, I love him, Gooey. Thanks a lot. Not happy. Huh. And now? What? Look at all that stuff. Where's it all coming from? Aha! Got stuff too, you know. Yikes. Ding, ding, ding! Egg carton win! And some paint, of course. It's all about placement here. Yep, we're good somewhere. Yeah! But I need something. Oh, that looks promising. I'm sure she won't mind. Look at that! Gorgeous! And so versatile. Check it out! A handmade puzzle is coming in hot. Yay! You like? What? Ew, so lame. What do you know?
What's this? Some sort of puzzle? The pieces move? How delightful! My brain, it's tingling. You can have this.
Really? This is incredible! So many possibilities! No one appreciates me, but I'm more important than everyone! Last poster, done. Wow! What? Does that say costume party? It sure does, and I have nothing to wear. Me neither. Let me think. Come on, I need you!
What? You rang? I'm all yours. Shake that bell, girl.
Oh, those are some moves! Yeah, get it, bro! Come here!
Oh, copy that. Well?
Can you read?
Oh, I got you. Did someone say fiesta?
Nice! That is so not the vibe.
Okay, okay. You just wanna shake it, huh?
What? Disgusting!
Picky, picky. Perhaps you're looking for a fairy tale? Well?
Ugh! Use your brain! Can't you think of anything? Just move, will ya? I'll pick something out myself. Wait, what's this? Things are looking up.
There you go.
Now this is more like it. Yep, I have a party to go to. Huh? Oh, wow! I must have something I can wear. Or maybe not. Ugh. What about this? I don't have anything. Where's he off to? What's that in his pocket? I could use some of that. So I will.
Let's party!
Newspaper? I'll make the news, alright. In the fashion section, that is. So pretty. I know. What up, fam? You like?
No way! Where'd you get this dress?
Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, if you like trash.
Having fun? Whoa, that's some dress! Looking good, girl!
That's enough gawking! Now help me! I need a new outfit!
You all have 20 minutes. Ready?
Did he just… Oh, I hate saliva!
Sticky pages. Okay, there we go.
Thanks, I guess.
Alrighty. And one for you.
I'm gonna be sick!
Yes, what's the problem?
This…
Spit issues? Not a problem. I'll take that, sir. You're welcome.
So gross. Man, these are hard. Think. I don't know any of these. Oh! Wait, 1,000 divided by what? I know! I got this! Just watch and learn. Now get in there, slime. You've got some work to do. Now watch very closely. Things are about to get much clearer. Here's where things get interesting. Can you see that? So can I! Brilliant!
How are we doing over here? Okay.
Phew.
What about you? Having trouble? Someone clearly didn't study. Psh, that's what you think. A, B, and C coming in.
Nice!
Excuse me, who do you think you are? Pathetic. This is deplorable. Out of my classroom now. Unbelievable. Oh, I hate getting in trouble. How did I fail again?
Almost done.
So I see.
He hates me, but I can fix that. I just need my special glasses. These things on? Oh, yeah. Things are about to get way easier. See?
Oh, man. Oh, she's calling. No! What's that? Oh, goodness. Is that what I think it is? Things are looking up. Now, if only I knew the answers. Number 1. I got it. Time to use the old noggin. Yep, carry the 2, subtract 79, plus the square root. Got it! It's all for you, boss!
Message received. I feel smarter already. Math's not so bad after all.
Are we just about done? Time's up, come on!
Okay. I'm done too.
Well, we'll see.
I already know I aced it. Cool. It's like 1,000 degrees in here. Tell me about it. Popsicle to the rescue. Oh, I'm melting over here.
Yes, tell me what happened.
I need air conditioning. Now!
It is rather warm in here.
Well, come on, let's hop to it! So much better. Huh? Oh, you're sweating on me! Gross! I'm covered in it!
Oh, so many stars.
Thanks for the help! Just go!
Hey, I tried. What about this? Yeah?
That thing's so small. You're really stressed, huh?
Hold on. Perhaps this is more your speed.
My hair! Make it stop! Classic.
No? Too strong? Just hold on.
So annoying. You're still eating? Not anymore. Wait, I've got it! Popsicle sticks are so versatile, especially when it's hot out. Ta-da! Hello, fan! It just needs a little shaping. Much better. But I can make it even prettier. Is it looking familiar yet? It's only my most favorite fruit ever. All done. Woohoo! Cool as a cucumber. Cool as a what? Ugh, can I see that thing? My fan? Okay. Good thing I made 2. Wow, thanks. So relaxing. Wait, what's going on? No! What's going on?
Hey guys, catch you later. I'm off to the mall.
I just got a blowout! Stop, please! Have fun. I think I need a new assistant. You're hiring?